Please activate. Does KDC-55 don't activate? There we go.
Central McLennan County in Central Texas. Central until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cedar Hill to near Carl's Corner to near
Your business grows.
at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Red Oak, Carl's Corner, Hillsboro, Italy, Bingham, Waxahachie, West, and Lancaster around 11:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ferris around 12:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Ennis, Bardwell, Palmer, and Bardwell at around 12:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Navarro, Mills Lake, and Blooming Grove around 12:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Berry and Hubbard around 12:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Dawson and Allen around 12:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Corsicana around 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Malone, Oak Valley, Dresden, Avalon, Irene, Corbett, Rocket, Howard, Bristol, and Aquila. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 351 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 410. Interstate 45 between...
Wow! Perfect timing! Perfect timing! Perfect timing! Wow! Wow!
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Hamilton County and Central Texas, North Central Coleto County and Central Texas.
Let me just show you outside for a while.
County and Central Texas, Southwestern Hill County and Central
Let's just
Texas.
take weather reading.
a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Lake Whitney to near Clifton to near Hamilton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Look at that.
Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source trained weather spotters. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
That was perfect timing.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Whitney, Grand Falls Gap, Clifton, and Laguna Park around 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Womack, Pancake, Lakewood Harbor, Coyote, Jonesboro, Whiteway, Aylman, Norse, Mosheim, and Turnersville. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth.
This is not necessary. Do you not hear what I just heard? I swear, I'll play that back again. I'm gonna edit this and I'm gonna play it back. Because I swear I heard that. Does Fort Worth turn on their sirens for SVRs now?
Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dillon County in north central Texas, southern Dallas County in north central Texas until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe
I'm so close to that.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
What?
Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Wow.
Expect wind damage.
Oh.
Trees.
Wow.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Cedar State Park, Cedar Hill, Green Prairie, Arlington, and Mansfield around 11:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Duncanville and Dallas around 11:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Odella and DeSoto around 11:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Glen Heights around midnight Central Daylight Time. Lancaster around 12:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
That was unexpected.
Hutchins around 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Jopo Lake, Lake Arlington, Mountain Creek Lake, Dall Arlington Gardens, and White Rock Lake.
Fact. This is the camera. All my trees are shaky.
Interstate 35 between mile markers
Let's take this one.
412 and 434. Interstate 20 between mile markers 439 and 477. Interstate 30 between mile markers 25 and 54. Interstate 45 between mile markers 274 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, and the National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in north central Texas, northeastern Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central
Wait, this has to be Tarrant County. Has to be Tarrant County. Bro! Oh my god, that's glaze. That's glaze. That's glaze. Wow. Mom, we're missing out a show. Nope. I know, now it came in and destroyed it.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Whitney, Burleson, Ardoino, Keene, Mansfield, and Bloom around 11:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Phoenix around 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Grandview, Grand Prairie, and Covington around 11:00
Covington.
p.m. Central Daylight Time.
So funny.
Cedar Hill and Midlothian around 11:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mobile around 11:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Itasca and Glen Heights around 11:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mayberry, Red Oak, Oak Leaf, and Waxahachie around midnight Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Buena Vista, Cockrell, Parker, Cedar Shores, Mayfield, Griffith, Sunflood, Eagle, Mojo, and Lillian. Listing highways, Interstate 35W between mile markers 6 and 37. Interstate 35 between mile markers 410 and 411. For your
It interrupted. Yes! Boom! Chakalaka.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the colony, moving east at 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, public. At 11:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, half-dollar sized hail was reported Louisville.
Damn.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Plano and Frisco around 11:20 p.m. impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Altoona, Charlotte, Branch, St. Paul, Blue Ridge, Avon Lake,
Maybe because it's in location mode.
and Nevada. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth. The National Weather
There's going to be isolated thunderstorms in and around the area. I mean, if you were to take the HRRR at its heart, at its word, we don't really see anything moving in until 4 or 5 p.m., but you could see some thunderstorms moving in around that time of the game.
Central Texas, East Central Comanche County and Central Texas until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Which is an issue because, you know, those could produce lightning, and I know they're going to cancel. They'll cancel games for lightning, or delay at least for a while.
30 miles per hour. Hazard 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, public.
Damaging wind threat.
Outdoors will be injured.
I forget, we were talking about, what was it, up here in
Sighting.
Bentonville, Arkansas. You do have that hatch wind threat tonight. So, strong.
This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Somerville, north central Hamilton, southeastern Raff, northwestern Bethlehem,
Anything bad?
central
Bad, McKinney, Texas.
following locations: Walnut Springs,
And should I sleep?
Alexander, Eulogy, Cleveland, Rouse's Point, Harlan, Duflo, Edna Hill, Morgan, and Rainbow.
We're not expecting super.
Structure and
We're expecting some gusty conditions, some very gusty conditions, and some hail for some areas. It's not out of the question. It's just a very strong one. Isn't looking super likely, but I don't want to tell you to or not to, you know.
storm warning remains in effect until 10
Could
Wait! What do you want? Bye. I have to go.
At 7:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gordon, or 20 miles east of Ranger, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail
It's still on a watch.
50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar.
What? Okay. SVR. 2 SVRs. I'm joking.
This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 368 and 407. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 7:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 67, effective until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Bosque, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hale, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Taylor, and Lawrence. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage.
Hilarious crisis, hilarious crisis.
Alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to more weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 7:17 6:16 p.m.